Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to create an event on Skool. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who have Skool groups and want to go ahead and create an event so that people can see the upcoming event. So for our example, this video is going to be short, sweet, and to the point, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but what we're first going to do is hop onto our Skool program, and then you're going to click on this calendar tab here. So here we have a bunch of events that have already been scheduled, but if I want to add an event for today, for example, I would just click on the date. So if I want to go ahead and add an event, for example, I would click on this plus icon over here, and then you can just name this test event, and then you can set the date here. You could also set the time and duration of the event. You could also set it as a recurring event. You can change the location of the event as well. And you could also decide who can attend the event. So maybe it's members at a certain level, all members, or members in a course. You could also set up reminders. But that right there, by clicking this button right here, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and create events on Skool. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Take care.